Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's Thursday, and you can tell it's raining. Rich and I are on a road trip again.
Yes.
Meeting realtors in the rain. We work in all kinds of weather.
Love the rain.
Rain, sleet, snow, whatever it is. Hurricanes, we're out there meeting everybody. Boy, it is really coming down, though.
Yes, it is.
It's like, I think something tells us, you know, when we leave the office, all of a sudden it really starts getting worse. It's drizzling. Yeah, exactly. So maybe that's a sign. I don't know. No, we're kidding. But we are on the road today again, meeting with some realtors, and we're meeting Stacy in Greenville. So if you're a realtor out there watching this, definitely connect with us and let's talk. We got a lot of amazing programs out there right now.
Worst thing can happen, you can come have a free coffee or something with us.
That's true. Yeah, we like coffee meetings. I'm particularly more for Dunkin' Donuts. I used to like Starbucks, but we're actually meeting at Brouhaha. So we're changing it up, everybody. Changing it up. So some of you guys saw, and I saw some really good responses. I posted my first Did You Know? And talking about renovation loans. So there's going to be a lot of big things we're working on that. But I think the big thing is, from what I'm hearing right now, and you're hearing this too, a lot of buyers out there like, I looked at a couple of houses, they were nice, but yeah, you know, I'm not really into them. You can do a renovation loan. Even if you've gotten into a house that needs work, you can do a refinance, and you can do a home style reno loan, which is conventional, or you can do an FHA 203K, which is also a renovation loan, and there's a lot of cool things you can do. So it's neat. So if you're definitely looking in the home market and you're not seeing anything, and you see some stuff, you know, don't look at it as it is now. Look at it as it is in the future. You could really create something really neat. You can get money for it, and it's all wrapped in one loan. It's not like you have to put out money this way or that way. You could put it all in one nice loan like a regular loan. So definitely message us about that.
Yeah, remember also now with the new tax laws and not being able to deduct a lot of the things that you used to deduct, this is a time with the rates where they are and the equity in the home, if you need that cash, go ahead and refi.
Yep.
Borrow the money now, put it against the first mortgage, you can write that off still, and you know, these things may help you with your tax consequences.
Yeah, no, absolutely. That's a great point.
Yeah.
So we will check in with you guys later, but we're just out and about now. So if you see us in a black SUV, a black Blazer, probably one of the only few left on the road, honk at us. Maybe we'll start that, or say you want a free cup of coffee, and we'll meet you.
We'll meet you.
Sounds good. See you later. Right, everybody, it is almost 5 o'clock. Rich and I had some really great meetings with some realtors. You know, it's all about educating people no matter what. You want to communicate and educate and talk to people about what programs you have and how you can really help them instead of just trying to sell people. And I think that's what we find where we are is it's just, hey, we're trying to help you. We're trying to give you some great value. If we can help you, great. If we're not your cup of tea, no big deal. Hopefully you'll think of us. But craziness going on, long day. I am off to my son's taekwondo. It is now time for that. And I'll tell you, don't you guys like the back roads of Delaware? I like Route 82 up here in Newcastle. It's just a lot of fun because there's some really great roads. There's Hoops Reservoir I drive through every day. It's a lot of fun, but time to go to my son's taekwondo.